Fanny Plays back with another damn video. And today we're doing murder drone ships. Absolutely. It's gonna be very it's gonna be quite decisive, I guess. First off, we have N and Doll. I really could not care less about this ship. It's just kind of there. We have N Doll. I just don't really see happening. But I could not care less. And then Sin. And this is just. I'm pretty sure they both see each other as more as siblings instead of romantic partners. That's the thing. And honestly, that's basically all. Yeah, I don't really think Sin's up for dating yet. They're just better as friends. Now Darren and Rebecca. This is actually, I'm pretty sure this is canon. For episode 4 they said they were gonna make out, so couldn't care less. Darren and Sam again could not care less. It really does not matter. Doll and Lizzie. I actually kind of ship this, honestly. I can kind of see it. I mean, honestly, the way Lizzie acts just gives off some LGBTQ vibes. I don't know why, but it definitely feels like Lizzie would date Doll for some reason. That went pretty good. Uzi and Doll. Oh boy, it's nasty, kinda. I'm gonna put. I really don't think it's gonna happen, and I think they just work better as friends. Yeah, same goes with Uzi, Doll, and Lizzie. They're just better as friends. Doll and Emily couldn't care less. Emily and Rebecca couldn't care less. Uzi and Emily couldn't care less. Couldn't care less with this one. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put down Nest. I know. I'm gonna put it here. Now I have Ed and Nori. Well, this is definitely Famile. That's Uzi's mom. That this feels Famile. Now we have N, V, and Uzi. Some of you might not agree with this, but I ship it. It's just I feel like they are kind of bad, honestly. And in V, since I already put this one at the top, this is obviously in there. I really feel like they dig each other. Now we have Sam and Emily. Couldn't care less. Thad, Doll, Uzi, and Lizzie. That's a lot of people in a relationship. But they're just better as friends. J, V, and Uzi. The only thing that throws me off here is that Jay's in it. I highly doubt any main character other than Jay would date Jay. So yeah, it's a bit ew. Jay and Tessa, that is honestly Famile. Nori and Khan. This is really canon, so I'm gonna put it in the top. Jay and Khan, nasty. These honestly feel just kind of nasty. Uzi and Jay, hideout. Jay and Lizzie, Jay and Doll, Jay and Uzi, they just don't work for me. There's no way they ever will. Lizzie and Rebecca. Could not care less about the ship. Lizzie and Emily. No, Uzi and Lizzie. They're better. They're just better as friends, honestly. Yeah, they work better. It's that way. Aaron and Darren Rebecca. I just could not care less about the ship. And Rebecca, same thing. And Tessa, it's Famile. It really just does not work for me. Ed and Jay, it's pretty much you. It does not work too well for me. Nori and Neva, nasty bro. Ed and Uzi, it's gotta be a top. Yeah, it's gotta be at the top. J and V, after episode 8, it's definitely not happening. I'm just checking. Yeah, there's just a lot of merge-owned ships that I don't necessarily care about, honestly. Nori and Alice, that feels Famile. Sam, Emily, and Rebecca, honestly, I could not care less. Sam and V could not care less. Uzi and Sam could not care less. Okay. Yeah. Thad, Doll, and Lizzie, honestly, they work better as friends than partners. Alice, Nori, and Eva. No. It feels Famile. V and Tessa. Again, this does not work. V and Con, you. Just does not work for me. V and Lizzie, they work better as friends. V and Doll, nasty. Just does not work for me. Uzi and V. Again, some of you might not really agree with me here, but honestly, it's actually kind of cute. It's actually really cute. Yeah, I have to shoot that. Sin and Jay. Honestly, it might as well happen, considering episode 8. Sin and Jay, but still, it's kind of ew to me. I don't really ship it. Thad and Lizzie. Better as friends. N and Thad. Thad and Lizzie, better as friends. Thad and better as friends. Yeah. Thad and V. Again, better as friends. Yeah, everything else. Yeah. Oh, I clicked on that accidentally. Yeah, they Thad and Doll and Thad and Uzi just work better as friends. Actually, you know what? Thad and Uzi goes in pretty good, actually. Yeah, I feel like that was. So, yeah. Might get some hate, but you know what? I don't care. I ship these things to the top. These things could probably happen. And, yeah, these are just kind of friends. These ones I don't exactly care about. And, yeah, there's kind of a lot down here that doesn't really click with me. Anyway, thank you for tuning in for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye!